how to transfer money from your Binance account to your bank account using P2P method. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, simply log into your Binance account. After that, you would be able to find the P2P option under the trade section. Simply select P2P. Now over here, you need to switch to sell, because we want to sell our USDT and get the money in our bank account. After that, select the currency of your country. Then you can also filter out using the payment methods that you want to utilize in order to do so. And over here, you would be able to find different people out there who are ready to purchase your USDT and give you the money in your bank account. You can see their name, the completion rate, and the amount that they usually take in order to complete the order, and also the number of orders that they have taken. So make sure that you go with someone who has higher completion rate, at least more than 90% in worst cases, and in best cases go with someone with more than 95%. Then check the price. If it is good to you, then you can go with it. Also, this is a featured ad, the first one, so you can go with someone who is not sponsoring or using the ads to list their pricing over here. Then you can check the amount of USDT that they can purchase, and the payment method is over here. Select it according to your needs and requirements. And suppose I wanted to sell 200 USDT. I would not be able to sell it to any of these people because they don't have that much of capacity. This person won't be able to purchase more than 118.1 USDT. So I need to find someone who can purchase my crypto or USDT. So this is the one. This person has 550 USDT capacity. So I can simply check out all the other details, 99%, which is quite good. And the price is also good. Then check the payment method, then click on sell USDT. After that, just type the amount of USDT that you want to sell, and you would be able to see the amount that you will receive in your bank account. After that, add your bank details, then click on sell USDT, and this way you would be able to receive the payment. But make sure that you have received the payment in your bank account. After that, confirm it, and this is how you would be able to sell your USDT and receive the money in your bank account. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.